the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Turkey. Next, the Chairman of the Executive Authority Affairs of the UAE and the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan.